today we are going to visit the Golden Buddha and then Chinatown. It's many Golden Buddhas. I feel like they only are gold. So
Actually, I need to get some water. I need a drink.
we've got water in the bag.
And I'm not sharing it with you. It's not a good idea if you're
Why?
not feeling well and your glands are up.
Well, my glands are fine. I'll drink half of it and then you drink the rest.
Have you already opened it?
No, I've not opened it. But we're still gonna have to buy more anyway.
Of course we are.
So why don't we just find some vendors that sell water? It's 10 baht.
No video, no video.
Chinatown.
You keep just losing things.
Misplaced it.
What, on your head? We are in Chinatown searching for somewhere to eat, aren't we?
Yes.
We found a lot of street markets selling chicken cooked yesterday. Why have you got a hot drink in the hot weather? Do you want to know the reason why they do it in India?
That's why
Because
it's the same
a hot drink makes you sweat, so the sweat cools you down, and in turn it makes you stink. So she's gonna stink. Luckily the streets stink, so it's gonna mask your smell. So I got some kale, which I've learned isn't actually kale.
This is spring greens.
Spring greens, not kale. False advertising.
Delicious. It's actually huge chunks of garlic in it.
Make you smell even worse. Is that a big enough mouthful? House of Jim Thompson, where he lived before he was slain 7 years later. This house is beautiful though. He lived here for 7 years, created a silk manufacturing business, sold the silk, built the house. One thing I've noticed about homes in Thailand, they don't actually connect the rooms. The rooms are all disconnected. So for example, that might be a toilet, then over there they might have the bedroom, and then it just kind of forces you to walk outside to all the different rooms, which I kind of like because it makes your house more like a resort. But I guess you need like a lot of land to do that. While they are dancing to trance music. Check this out. How's the dance going? What's that, the salt shaker?
No, this is serious. Go
I know it's serious, I can tell, it's very serious. No, you're not doing the hands, you've got to do the hands as well. Look, he's doing the hands. Yeah, but he's doing hands, therefore you should do hands too. So how was the aerobics class?
Very interesting.
Yeah, why would you do that in this heat? You're already sweating as
It must
it
be
is.
about 38 degrees and they're all doing like in space of about 2 feet, 6 steps. Thank goodness we've got icicle bridge before.
You didn't have the rhythm. They were doing the right leg, you were doing your left leg. They were doing the right arm, you were doing your head or something. So you're now even more sweaty and sticky and smelly. Really smelly. Oh, no, look at that building. Cool looking bar. That's pretty. You actually had a rhythm this time. Well, why don't you take your flip-flops off? Why have you always got an excuse? Why don't you just do it? Sounds like he's reading like a factual book.
I'm not following the thread of what I'm trying to tell you.
What are you trying to tell me? You couldn't do it because you didn't have
I said it's like being in a sauna and doing it.
Yeah, I know, but if you know you're going to just sweat.
That's good. The point of it is exercise. Do you understand the point of exercise?
I actually don't. Whoa, so it's currently 2:30 AM. I've had 3 hours sleep. We went to bed at 11 PM last night. We've got a flight to catch in 3 hours time, 4 hours time. The flight's at 6 AM, so we're gonna head to the airport, fly over to Chiang Mai. I'm gonna get ready and we're gonna head off. So I've lost a flip-flop in the hotel room. I got it free in the hotel. Do you want to ring them and say, hey, we've lost a flip-flop that you guys gave us for free?
What, you've just picked some flip-flops and they're free?
Yeah, they were the free flip-flops.
I never saw any flip-flops.
Oh, well, I did. Where's the departure lounge?
A7.
What time is it?
Domestic.
Departure's there. International.
International. We're not going international. We're going domestic, aren't we?
We're going to have a domestic. Yeah, I think the hood's gonna have to come up. Oh, wow. Oh.
You take the skin right
I know, you can take all your skin right off. So they just charged us 20 baht each for a ticket, even though the place is closed. So we can't even get inside because they are restoring the place. How do you feel about being robbed?
Oh, well, I wasn't robbed. It's all in a good cause, and it's, goodness me, 20 baht, which is what? 80p?
40 baht. Well, 40 baht, it's 20 each.
20 each.
So it all adds up. A quid, been robbed of a quid. How many golden Buddhas have we seen so far? Are they any other colour other than gold though? They're all gold.
No?
Yeah.
Oh, we saw an emerald one.
Oh yeah, we saw an emerald one. So we've seen one emerald one and 54 golden Buddhas. This will be the 59th. Why didn't you have a conversation with one of the monks? There's on there. Have a chat with him. Have a chat.
No, you do the monk chat where it says monk chat.
There's a coffee place there. Is that a coffee place? JD? As long as they don't sell trainers, then they sell coffee. So this coffee's got sweet milk at the bottom, espresso, normal milk, and then froth, and then chocolate stirrers. I don't think that's how you're meant to drink it with these things. No, this is just a snack. You want to try some? Oh my god, it's got chocolate in it. Wow. They just drink Thai tea and do Tai Chi. Well, we're jumping in a Grab, aren't we? Not an Uber, a Grab. We're gonna grab a Grab. Yeah, you need to use it because then you get the discount and I get a discount as well. And then we all get discounts. It's basically free. We're gonna be smelling absolutely delicious this evening. New fragrance, order insect repellent. Stay 2 steps ahead. Look, watch.
Yeah, I have to put the bottom inside.
Oh, so I've got it. You didn't say that though. It would have been nice if you'd have explained that to me. Avoid that whole situation.
I didn't know that myself.
Yeah, well, now you do. Right, have you ordered the car? I'm going to. Where are we going to? Feast. That always sounds good.
Head towards the pickup point, it says.
Where's the pickup point?
Matthew, I really don't know.
So it says he's how many minutes away? So he's not here yet, is he? He's at the end of the road, I can see him. Quick! Run! Hello! Thank you. Oh, do you want to be upstairs? Is it nicer upstairs or down? Up the stairs. Hi. Are you cold? She's cold. Oh, you want to go back downstairs now? She's too cold. She wants to go back downstairs. Yeah, because she's cold.
Okay.
There's no vibe on there anyway. I'm going to have that starter, black garlic labneh with peppers and eggplant.
That was what I was looking at. I might get that. It comes with good sourdough bread. I'm glad it's good.
I'll just have that rather than the starter.
You're gonna have that rather than the starter. Yeah, I'll get the Jamaican chicken then. On to the next spot, the good view, and some live music.